Welcome to Phobjekha.
You don't have to go anywhere in the world. This is what you will see if you come to the Phobjikha Valley. Hi Kuzu Sampola to all my viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kuzu Zambo, good morning my dear beautiful friends around the world. I have a challenge with you guys. If you really want to escape into the greenery places, this is a Phobjikha Valley, the mini Switzerland of Bhutan. Welcome here. See guys, enjoy greenery place. You don't have to go anywhere. If you really want to enjoy with your friends, relatives and love fun, welcome to Phobjekha. In summer, Phobjikha transforms into the lush paradise. The valley breathes with life. Wildflowers blooms, cattle graze freely, and a river whispers through the misty field. Fluttering flags near Gangtey Monastery. This is more than just a landscape. It's a living canvas of harmony between nature and tradition. The people of Phobjikha lives in scenic with the land, the tending fields and preserving centuries-old customs. The standing watch over the valley is Gangtey Monastery, the sacred seat of Bhutanese spiritual. It chants echoes through the pines, blessing the valley below. This is what you will see if you come to the Phobjikha Valley. Summer still holds a magic of its own, where the sky open wide and every breeze carries the peace. Phobjikha in summer, a sanctuary of green, a place where your heart can finally breathe. One of the most peaceful ways to explore Phobjikha is by walking through the Phobjikha Nature Trail. The trail gently winds through the valley from the village of Gangtey, past open village of Gangtey, open meadows and traditional farmhouse. Smelling the fresh resin and listening to the birds' song in the canopy above. These forests are home to the rare birds, butterflies and wild mushrooms that sprout in the rainy season. Every step on the trail is a meditation with the fluttering prayer flags, rustling leaves and panoramic view of the wide skirt valley. Where the trees whisper ancient wisdom and the valley reminds us to slow down and simply be. A stream flows gently through the valley, carving its paths through the wild meadows and ancient earth, whispering the stories only nature can tell. In its quiet flow, it carries the spirit of Phobjekha, pure, calm and timeless.
I see. You don't have to go anywhere in the world. This is the place where you will never get tired of seeing this greenery